In this video, I'll show you how to create and edit property groups in Hubspot. First, go to your Hubspot settings by clicking the gear icon in the top corner. Once you're in Settings, find and click on Properties. This will load your objects. Choose the object you want to edit, such as contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Select the object to view its properties. You can also switch to the Groups tab. From here, click Create Group to make a new group, then give it a name. For example, name it Team and click Save. After the group is created, you can edit it anytime. Click Edit, make your changes, and save them. You can also click View Properties to manage the actual properties inside that group and create new properties for that field. That's how you create and edit property groups in Hubspot. Like the video, subscribe for more Hubspot tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.